Okay, welcome ulit na sa Jollibee Villas Piñas to celebrate the first birthday party of Ezekiel. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, may request everybody to stand up. Kayo muna tayo lahat. For the opening prayer, it's led to us by Gwen.
May you give him many more birthdays to come. May the food that is given to us by the glorious Lord bring us sustenance and nutritious health in everyday life that we have and share with our loved ones. May you bless my inaanak, his friends, and loved ones who are here with us to celebrate his birthday with a lot of good graces that we have in our lives. May this day be marked with joyous happiness as we share in love and hopes for our inaanak. We thank you, Lord, for all that you have given to us, for all that you will do to us in the future, and for meeting the needs of this family. May this day be good to all of us and make this day great for us. Thank you, Lord. Dear God.
Salamat. Okay lang na si remain standing. Tayo muna lahat. Hindi tayo magsisimula sa ating party, syempre, na hindi kinakantahan ng ating birthday boy, si Ezekiel. Kasama mo si Daddy at si Tita dito sa unahan. Okay. So, gusto ko lahat kumanta ng happy birthday, ha? So, lahat pa ng bata dito marunong kumanta ng happy birthday?
Opo.
Opo. Sige, sumagot. Opo. Ulitin ko, lahat ng bata dito marunong kumanta ng happy birthday?
Opo.
Okay, very good. So, okay na, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you, louder!
Happy birthday to you.
Mas malakas!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Okay, one more time with matching palakpak. Go! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, isang malakas na happy birthday, Ezekiel. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.
Okay, palapakan po natin. Maraming salamat. Pwede na tayo po. Salamat po. Okay, pero sila, Daddy, hindi lang muna. Sir, ito ka muna. Sa'yo po. Okay, so ginagawa mo yun sa mga bagong natin. So, sir, Musta? Kailan ba yung birthday niya ngayon mismo? Yung 18 birthday. So, si Mami ay pa na sa ako. So, ano nararamdaman nyo ngayon na yung sila para lang ka-celebrate sa birthday ni Ezekiel? Habang wala si Mami. Okay, palapakan po natin. Salamat. Okay, yan. Sige po, picture-picture muna kasama ang ating birthday boy na si Pierre at lahat ng family members sila tita. Sige po, lapit ko na po kayo dito. Thank you.
Cake, cake. Cake. What birthday natin?